Hi kids! In this video we will learn about two-letter words. Let's go! AM, M, ANN, ASS, AT, at, BE, B, BY, by, DO, do, GO, go, HE, he, IS, is, IN, in, IF, if, IT, it, ME, me, MY, my, NO, no, OF, off, ON, on, TO, to, OR, or, SO, so, UP, up, US, us, WE, we, MN, as, at, D, by, do, go, he, is, in, if, it, me, my, no, off, on, to, or, so, up, us, we.